Hi, I'm Kyle with Bulldog Packaging. We'd like to discuss our USA-made ultrasonic non-woven bag strength and construction. Traditionally, you've purchased bags from overseas which get made of multiple pieces of material that are cut, assembled, then hand sewn. Our ultrasonic non-woven bags are made of one piece of material that are cut, then mechanically welded. Since everything is an entirely mechanized process, you don't have the same variance in sizing, stitching issues, and overall presentation. All of our bags have the same uniform look from the first bag in a case to the last. With ultrasonic welding versus sewing, you're not using a needle to create hundreds of perforations and weak points. On the contrary, you're fusing one piece of material to end up with a finished product of stronger integrity. To demonstrate how well our bags hold up, we've got a 38-pound box of cat litter. It's actually kind of like awkward and heavy to carry. And the problem is we have to film it up to a certain height, and I really don't want to pick that up, so I'm going to put it on the floor here. Now, let's see if we're able to get this done, loading the bag in one take. I think we did. If you'd like more information, or you'd like samples so you can test out lifting cat litter boxes on your own, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. I'm happy to advise on boxes that might have a nicer handle for you. Thanks for watching.